This is Camping with Kayla at Kenai Fjord's Boat Tour in Seward, Alaska. The coastal town of Seward is located in south-central Alaska. From there, we took a 6-hour boat tour into Resurrection Bay and into the Gulf of Alaska.
Welcome to Seward Harbor. Our boat was called Orca Voyager.
Even though we visited in August, the temperature was in the mid-50s and cloudy, and even colder on the ocean.
We better bundle up.
We hadn't even left the harbor before we saw bald eagles.
And sea otters. We've already been seeing pretty cool things. I hope we see some more cool things.
Do you see what I see? We found Steller Sea Lions. Steller Sea Lions are the world's largest species of sea lion. The adult males can weigh up to 2,400 pounds and will grow to be 3 times the size of an adult male grizzly bear.
That's a big sea lion. I saw it.
Did you?
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh,
See
yeah.
where that little 2 cracks are? Like right there?
Yeah.
It was right in between there.
Right in between? Oh yeah, right there. There it is again.
We'll start making the waves out.
Nope, there was again.
Family of whales. Average around 50 feet in length.
There it is again. Right there. See it? Oh, there it is. Whoa! There it is. There it is. There it is. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. There it is. After following 2 humpback whales for a little while, we came across this weird coloration in the water.
Do you know what this is? Let us know in the comments. Did you guess jellyfish? If so, you are correct.
This cuddle puddle of jellyfish is also known as a jelly smack.
I can't believe whales actually do exist. And a jelly smack's pretty cool too. I'm having a great experience. Look, 2 more sea otters.
Next, we visited glaciers in the Kenai Fjord National Park. This glacier is known as the Holgate Glacier. It is a tidewater and mountain glacier. The Holgate Glacier has actually been advancing for the past 5 years and appears to go through regular cycles of advance and retreat. Glacier calving is a natural process where ice chunks break off from the glacier's edge.
Holgate Glacier is usually a pretty sleepy glacier when it comes to this calving. What we've just seen already was pretty spectacular.
Wow, that was really cool and loud.
This occurs due to the forward motion of the glacier making the terminus unstable. Is that part of the glacier?
Seeing this glacier in real life was definitely an adventure of a lifetime. Look, it's a harbor seal.
She went up there. Up there. Right there.
This water is so blue. Wait, there's mountain goats out here too?
It appears so. And that looks like a mama and a baby. We've made it back to the harbor. We've seen some pretty cool things. Lila, what was your favorite?
I'm gonna say the whales. That's pretty cool. What was your favorite, Mom?
Seeing the whales was pretty amazing, but I also really liked seeing the glacial calving. I've never even heard of that before, so seeing it in person was really neat. On our 6-hour tour, we found 2 humpback whales, we saw a jelly smack, we saw sea otters, we saw seals, we saw the Holgate Glacier, and even mountain goats.
I say today was a pretty great day.
Thank you for watching. For more information about Alaska and other amazing places, be sure to check out my website at campingwithkayla.com.
Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.